Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another interesting session of the Cleaning Technology Talks. With me is an industry personality who needs no introduction. With me is Mr. Issam Horane. He's the CEO of Hygiene Tech. Issam is going to share some interesting information about the future of cleaning with Hygiene Tech Robotics. Welcome to Cleaning Tech Talks, Issam.
Thank you very much. Thank you for Clean Middle East for hosting this. I found it as a perfect platform in order for us to launch our new robot. We've launched the Lion's Butt robot in March 2021. And I'm going to be going fast into what we're launching hopefully in March 2022. It seems that March is the March of launching for us. In general, Hygiene Tech is a company that has been operational in the market for the last 15 years. Personally, I've been eyeing robotics for the last 3 years, and we finally signed last year with Lion's Butt, which is a company that is based in Singapore. So during the last 1 year, we have been demonstrating a lot of to a lot of our clients. And sorry. Something is wrong with my presentation. Are you with me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly well.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so the Lion's Butt that we have started with in March 2021, it's a family of 4 robots, and it's the first interactive robot in the market. It means that the robot will be able to communicate with the people and the environment around it. The robot is around 50 centimeters and it operates on 3 kilometers per hour. And accordingly, it was designed in order to clean middle-sized area. Now, there are a lot of features that we have concentrated on, especially when it comes to the Lion's Butt, which is very long operation hours with very short charging hours. We concentrated on the environment part, so we used less water than any other traditional machine. However, we have actually heard from the market what are they asking for, and we've realized with the factory that there is a need for a new, or actually a bigger robot that will be able to cover larger areas, and this is where the Rex will be launched. So the Rex is a bigger machine. When we're comparing to a size-wise, we'll see that the first robot that we have launched, it was around 50 centimeters. We're discussing over here 80 centimeter cleaning width. And when it comes to the capacity of the robot, of course, it is a completely different capacity than the one that we have been demonstrating during the last 1 year. I'm going to go further with my presentation in order to talk a little bit more about the products. Now, it goes without saying that the design is the top of our priority. However, with all of that, we concentrate on being smart, having the right size, robust, and being easy to maneuverable around a lot of different areas. I'm going to go through the details, and I'm not going to talk in details about the technology, but I'm just going to give you a very fast introduction. We use the latest technology from all aspects. So we do have sonars that are going to be seeing glass. We do have lidars that will be able to see objects, but the most important thing on this robot is that we have a 3D lidar that is going to be able to see all objects on the surface and above the surface. So this is in the robotic world. As you can see over here, we do have a 3D lidar with a camera. So we have a very good vision of all what is happening around the robot, and we can cover up to 200-meter radius. That will give us a very fast way in order for the robot to maneuver between obstacles. And this is a picture that will show you exactly what is happening or what the robot is seeing. So as you can see, we can see a 3D image, and we will see all the things that are on the surface and above the surface. Now, to go a little bit further when it comes to comparing the robot, because after all, we are selling a cleaning machine. So this cleaning machine, when it comes to the capacity, we're discussing a 140-liter tank. We're discussing a chemical dosing system. And at the end, we do have a defoaming. And I believe that this is a lot of people from the facility management will be very happy by having this. This is a device that will be reducing the amount of foam that will be generated in the tank. And with this, we will be able to guarantee very long working hours. We go again to the cleaning path. We will see that it is an 81 centimeter coverage. We do have a down force or down pressure of 80 kg. So we are really covering, they're representing an industrial robot. And the part that everybody touched by the beginning of the session was like, what will be the situation when it comes to the maintenance? So we all understand that we have a capex cost. We all understand that we have to work out the return on the investment. A big part from the return on the investment is by the motors that are used with this robot. We would like to concentrate that all of our motors are maintenance-free motor, and accordingly, you will see that the cost of maintenance when it comes to our new robot and the previous robot, we always concentrated on this part, is that it is very low when it comes to the AMC. With our new robot, we will be able to cover 4,000 square meters per hour. The robot will be working or able to work for 8 hours straight, of course, with 8 hours charging. If we put it on the eco mode, it will reach to 10 hours. And the diameter, it's a very tight turning diameter that is around 2.5 meters where our robot will be able to operate. The good news is that, yes, it is a robot, but we will have 3 ways of using this robot. We can use it as a traditional scrubber dryer, a walk-behind machine. We will be able to have a semi-autonomous via the touch screen. And of course, like all of our robots, we have the app that will be able to control 8 of our robots at the same time. So the whole thing could be done remotely by using the app when it comes to all of our family of robots. I would like to say that the cream on the top of the cake is the auto docking system. So if we want to take it continuous to the final level, I would like to, I'm happy to share the information that we will have an automatic docking station where the robot will automatically go. The clean water and the dirty water, the tanks will be cleaned, and the robot will be charged for the next operation. So we do have the medium-sized family where the robot will be interactive with whatever is happening around it, but we wanted more to target during this year all the facility management companies that are looking in order to clear larger areas. So the Rex, the king of cleans, as we call it, is going to be the right product for factories and airports and warehouses. Thank you very much. That's my presentation in a nutshell. For the people who know me in the market, they know that I usually talk a lot. So that's the fastest presentation I have ever done.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sam.
Anytime.
To all our listeners, we'll meet again in another 5 minutes for another interesting interview about training the cleaning staff with these amazing modern technologies. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, Sam, for your time.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Cheers.